So my name is Dan McCallum. I'm one of the directors of Awel Aman Tawe, a community energy project near just about 20 miles north of Swansea. So it's 2 turbines, 4.7 megawatts. It's enough to supply about 2,500 houses a year. And it was commissioned last year, and it supplies power into the grid. We sell our power to cooperative energy. It's an £8 million project, and it was funded through a community share offer which has raised £2.5 million so far, and then a bank loan from Triodos Bank for £5 million, and then some ongoing some support from Welsh Government as well, who've been key to getting our scheme built. So our project's been going a long time in the community, and all the staff and volunteers are all from the community of the Aman Valley. So we've been, I guess, consulting continuously over almost a 20-year period on our wind farm and other projects that we've developed, such as energy efficiency and our solar PV co-op. Originally we had a big consultation exercise and had a referendum, and the turnout was actually higher than the general election, and people voted in favour of the wind farm going ahead. One of the things that we've done most recently is donate over £100,000 worth of shares in the wind farm back to local community organisations such as Mercher, the centre where we now are, which is the Black Centre in Bryn Aman, the local golf club, which is not for profit, rugby clubs, football clubs, to give them that ownership of the wind farm and a sustainable income stream going forward, because they haven't got the core funds themselves to invest. But it's vital for us, if it's going to be a community wind farm, to have the sense of local ownership, even if people as individuals can't buy shares themselves. Community energy in Wales now is at a very exciting time. It's developing very quickly, and there's simply just a lot of projects all over Wales. You know, there have been some tough stories, some haven't gone ahead, but a lot have. So I think the 1 gigawatt target is really good. It gives a clear sort of direction. It will help get planning permission, because you can turn around to councillors, etc., and say, well, that's Welsh Government target. We can help you achieve that, and also keep all the money within the local authority area. So I think there'll be a lot more schemes happening right the way across Wales.
Today's been quite interesting. I've never seen a wind turbine that close. I've seen a blade in a previous role, but I've never seen it working. So that's nice. That was good to see. And I think that's something I think the communities need to see more of, the ones that don't quite understand. I think a lot of people are afraid of what they don't know. So I think if you turn around and say, well, it's actually generating enough power for quite a few houses and what it's doing and the good it's doing, I think you'll get more buy-in in the future.
Mae'n hyfryd I weld bod yna 2 turbine enfawr wedi cael ei roi lan ar y mynydd gyda perchnogell leol, a bod yr arian ar elw yn dynol i'r gymuned a'r pobl lleol.
2 turbines, 4.7 megawatt is really quite substantial. That's the kind of scale we're talking about, competing with commercial developers and so on. And also really impressed by the figures that they have over 1,000 community investors, that they raised 2.5 million from community investment. These are huge figures. I haven't really come across them before in relation to community energy.
As a planner myself, I think the planning process has been highlighted as a barrier to bringing schemes forward, which is unfortunate, as I believe the planning system is quite instrumental in developing schemes in the correct places. We've had a lot of experience dealing with major renewable energy developers, but they have far greater resource than some of the community groups, and perhaps that balance needs to be addressed, and hopefully that will come forward in the future with changed planning policy that will allow planning authorities a little bit more flexibility in dealing with the smaller community-based schemes.